Hi, my name is Addison, and here are some interviews with the captains of the girls' soccer team, Evie and Cassandra. How was preseason?
It was awesome just to see the new players coming and trying out soccer and just kind of starting to get to know what the team's going to be like.
Preseason was good. I feel like the team got a chance to really gel together and just learn from each other so that we can do good during season.
Why did you choose soccer?
So my dad's a soccer coach, and just from a young age I've just been interested in watching it and kind of getting to know how the game works. And ever since I tried it, it's just been my favorite sport.
I chose soccer because, I don't know, I'd never really done anything else. I don't play any other sports, and before soccer I didn't do anything else, and it's just something that caught my eye and something that makes me really happy.
How has being a captain influenced your personal life?
I feel like in sports it's more than just for the sport. It teaches you a lot of life skills. So just being a captain, it's helped me to be able to learn how to encourage people in a healthy way, and also just being a captain, it helps you be able to just get to know the girls a little more than outside of sports.
Being a captain has influenced my personal life by it just makes me more responsible and makes me want to be a leader of the school and just help others out and stuff.
Are you hoping to play on the women's national team?
A lot of people ask me that, but I just enjoy playing it for high school. I don't think I'll go into it as a profession, but I definitely will hopefully have my kids play and maybe coach in the future.
I don't know. I don't know if I'm that good, but yeah, I have no idea. No, I don't know.
All right. And now here's an interview with the coach of the girls' soccer team, Opie. All right, I'm here with Opie and of the girls' soccer team, and I was going to ask you, why did you choose girls' soccer to coach?
I just love coaching sports in general. Soccer's my love. It's the sport I love playing growing up, and girls, they listen a whole lot more than the boys, and they're just more fun.
How long have you been coaching girls' soccer?
I've been coaching girls' soccer for 19 years.
What do you plan on doing or what goals do you plan on achieving for this season this year?
This season, the girls' soccer team will make the state playoffs for the second year in a row, which has never happened before at Granger High School.
All right. Did you play high school soccer?
I did. I played high school soccer at UNA High School.
And how was that?
Just playing sports is a ton of fun. You're hanging out with your buddies or your friends and just having a good time, staying in shape, which was always way more fun than being lazy. So we had lots of good experiences.
All right.
Guys, this is Alice Marigo from GTV, and I'm here with
Miss Fukuda.
So, Miss Fukuda, why won't you tell us something about Japanese Club?
So, we have Japanese Club here at Granger High School. Anybody is welcome to come. And we mostly focus on the Japanese culture, so talking about food, about music, about movies, about all the different aspects of Japanese culture. We'll try to learn more in depth than we would in, say, Japanese class.
So can you tell us when Japanese class starts? Japanese Club, I mean.
Yeah, Japanese Club starts at 2:30, usually until about 3:30 every Thursday here in room G107.
Okay. Well, guys, that's it for GTV, and thank you, Mrs. Fukuda.
Of course.
I'm Alex from GTV, and this is one of the kids from Automotive. So, what do you exactly do in there?
We all just work on the cars, mostly fixing the basics, oil changes, changing out the tires, and then mostly learning with the vehicle.
So, do you, with new members and like people new to cars, do they easily get it, or does it take time for them?
They get eased into it with the intro. Like they'll mostly sit in class for a while, but they ease them into it, all the basics. It doesn't take them long to get used to it.
Okay. So is it pretty fun for people to join and do or anything?
Yeah, it's fun. If they take this class if they want to work on cars, if it's for the love of it.
Okay. So do they get started real fast, or do they have to watch and observe?
They watch and observe for a bit for their intro class, but they get thrown in maybe halfway through the year.
Okay. Yeah, that sounds fun. Well, you guys should join, and you can easily learn about cars and everything. So, thank you.
name is Kimberly from GTV, and I'm with Miss Lago. Can you please tell us a little about drill?
So I am the drill team advisor, the head coach. There are 4 coaches this year. 2 of my former students help us. They're here a couple of hours a week. And then Bree Winkleman also is helping coach. And the drill team, there are 28 members on the team. They tried out last March. We've been working as a team since April. And we've had a really exciting summer. We went to a great camp. We've learned lots of dances. We performed already at the first football game. We're performing at the Hello Assembly. And you'll be able to see the Excaliburs, that's the name of our team, in action at most assemblies and most half times. But we also compete. So drill team is a competitive athletic team. Our region is going to be in January. And we hope that everybody at the school comes to support and scream for us. But yeah, drill team's a lot of work, but it's fun.
That's amazing. How long do you guys practice each day?
It depends. So on B days, we come at 6 a.m. and we go through first period. And then we also have 2 nights a week. So we practice from 4 to 7 every Tuesday and Thursday night. But in the summer, we practiced Monday through Friday, all but 4 weeks of our summer from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m.
And when can people audition to be on drill?
In March. Each March, yeah, for the following year.
That's amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hi guys, I'm Isabella from GTV and I'm here with Miss Watkins to talk about Fear Club. So tell me, what do you guys do in Fear Club?
So in Fear Club, we talk about scary stuff, and that could be from folklore of different cultures. We watch scary movies occasionally, and we'll also have some club meetups after school at scarier locations.
Okay, so what time does Fear Club start?
Fear Club starts September 5th, and it's going to be every Wednesday at 2:30 to 3:30 in relocatable number 3, and it's going to end October 31st.
Okay, and are you looking for people to join and stuff?
We definitely are, and beyond people who want to join, we're also looking for officer applications. So if you're interested in becoming a club officer, feel free to stop by, again, one of those Wednesdays, and we will get that situated for you.
Okay, thank you. This is Miss Watkins, so join Fear Club.
Hi guys, it's me, Jamie, and today we are going to be interviewing the Granger football team.
My name is Robert Tabil. I go by Bubba, and I play D-line, and I'm a senior this year for the Granger football team.
What's up? I'm Intava. I'm running back for Granger High School. I'm a junior this year.
My name is Malachi Loling, and I'm a senior. I play tight end and defensive end.
Okay, so the first question is, what are you expecting from your football team this year?
What I expect from this team this year is just to work hard and make it a memorable year.
This year I'm expecting a lot, more than last year. Last year we didn't do so good, so I want to move on and improve and have something special this year.
I'm expecting the team to do good this year because we have the 2 best running backs in the state, and that's what I believe and know. And everyone's just all in on the team.
Okay, and now, what are you doing to prepare yourself for the game that's coming up, and do you think your team is going to win?
What we've been doing to prepare for this game is just perfecting our craft and just going over our offensive lines and blocking schemes and just studying the defense every morning and night.
So this game, I feel real comfortable about winning this game. Coming up, we prepared step by step, doing the little things, working on, and running in practice.
All right, we're preparing physically and mentally, and we've been working hard all week, and we're just fixing the little stuffs. And I really think we're going to win this Friday. That's how much confidence I have on the team.
And last but not least, does your number have a meaning behind it?
I started wearing number 12 last year, for a special someone. Yep.
So my number is 22. I love this number because it's a part of my family and it's a tradition, and I want to carry out that tradition.
I started wearing number 12 last year, you know, for a special someone. Yep.
Hey guys, what is up, Granger Lancers? We are here with a new teacher. Hi. Would you care to tell us your name?
Sure, I'm Jana Timpson. I'm the new theater teacher at Granger High.
What made you come to Granger? Like, do you think it was meant to be? Or?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah?
Yeah, I saw the notice for the job opening on a theater teacher specific website, and I got this weird, like, tinglies all over kind of thing.
Yeah, like goosebumps.
Yeah, and decided, I was like, that's my job. And so I applied and pestered Dr. Dunn to give me the job.
Wow.
So before that, were you already in the Granite District? Did you decide to move here just for that job, or how was the big decisions before that?
Well, I live in Salt Lake City still, and I commuted to Morgan School District for 2 years. And Morgan is a tiny little town in northeastern Utah, and it's an hour from Salt Lake each way. So I worked at Morgan as a theater teacher for 2 years.
Hello, Granger Lancers. We are here with a new teacher, Mr. Andrews. It's his first year. So how are you liking it? What's the energy here like?
I love it here. It's a fun school. The size is immense. I was at a small school last year, so it's kind of
an upgrade.
Variety. Yeah.
Right. We hope you guys enjoyed Friday's Hello Assembly.
And here's a recap of what happened.